Here's a question I get asked all the time. How do I know if I'm ready? Well, here's when to hire and what to delegate. If you're drowning in tasks, it is time to hire. If you're working nights, skipping meals, and still behind in your bookkeeping business, let me say this straight. You don't have a workload problem, you have a delegation problem. If you want to scale, you need to stop doing everything yourself. So here's when to hire and what to delegate and how it fits into your scaling plan. Most bookkeepers wait too long to hire. They think, I'll bring on someone when I'm making more money. But guess what? You don't make more money until you free up your time. So if your to-do list is longer than your client list, it is very much time to scale smarter. Because you're not just a technician, you are now a business owner. And business owners build teams. So when's the right time to hire? When your revenue is plateauing, but your hours are maxed out. When you're saying, I'll do it later, way too often. When you're spending time on $15 an hour tasks instead of $150 an hour strategy. Ask yourself, is this task helping me scale or is it just keeping me busy? And if it's the latter, pass it on. Start with low risk, high return tasks that free your brain and your bandwidth. Delegate this first. Admin tasks, inbox, scheduling, data entry. 2, bookkeeping basics, bank feeds, reconciliations, yes, even that, tech and system setup, automation, CRM, client portals. Number 4, marketing grunt work, social media post editing, and preparing content. You should be focused on client strategy, sales and growth, system building, vision casting. Let your support team handle the doing so that you can lead the scaling. That's where your value lies. Scaling is not about doing more or your ability to do more. It's about building a business that works without you in every task. Hiring plus delegation equals more capacity, better client experience, room to innovate and expand. Imagine this, onboarding a new client, all managed for you. Your team runs the numbers and you get to present the insights. Or you go on a vacation and the business keeps running. That's not a fantasy. That is systemized scaling. That is Maven. So what's one task you're going to delegate this week? Drop it in the comments and make it real. We would love you to hit subscribe for more smart strategies for savvy bookkeepers like you. And if you're ready to go from solo to CEO, you're in the right place. At Maven, we don't just build businesses. We build well-oiled machines that grow with grace. So let's scale. And as always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another video. Next up, business Darwinism. Who knew?